So we had a contact come through on our website from San Francisco, and I looked at it and I thought, okay, this is cool. They asked for help with their website. So we jumped on our call and we discussed the firm, and the firm is called Mission Law, and they were already established, but they didn't have a website. So while they approached us primarily for a website, the reality is they didn't have their branding done. And so we had to really talk about that at first instance. And when we did, we got to unearth the real, passion and purpose of the practice. So we went on this journey where we essentially help them with their positioning, which is what we do with all firms. We deal with the strategy first. We nail down the brand positioning. We nail down what's important for the brand. We nail down the key points of difference and the points that are important for their clients as well. Given Tony and the team are in the US, we're really conscious to get the process right. Timing couldn't have been any better because we were just rolling out our Notion project management system. And this was very cool as well because Tony's all over really great project management and using technological tools, especially for law. So it made it very, very easy to roll this out. And what we were able to do is essentially map the entire project out from strategy day one to final delivery of the website and all marketing materials at the end of the project. This gave everyone a lot more certainty and clarity around the process, and it made it much more simple for him to understand exactly the different steps that we'd be going through, what was expected of him and of his team, and how we'd eventually get there. So in any case, we got on with the process, got the strategy done, we started the design process. Jess came up with some great concepts at first instance, and because we had such a fresh brand, we could throw some really interesting concepts around. And it became really clear that we had two concepts that we both liked, but there was a bit of a debate really around which concept we would go for. So we went to another stage of the design, and by the end of that stage, essentially Tony was looking at it and we liked both, but there had to be a decision. And the decision was really towards that great arrow and that great movement, which is really, really important. If you think about their brand, it's all about helping startups and emerging companies progress and grow. So that movement was really central, and the arrow was really, really central to that. So really together we came up with a logo, we came up with fonts, we came up with color and design that was fresh, that was all about something different, but something really high class and something really polished while still being approachable. And that's what we ended up with. So coming out of that, we had the brand assets, we had the positioning, we had their language down. Then it was all about developing the website. For all clients, what we do is design the site in Figma. And what we did with Mission Law is design the homepage first, because once we've got the homepage down, it basically gives us the structure and the bones from a design perspective to make sure everyone's on the same page and they really love what the website's going to look like. And it also gives us flexibility because unlike other agencies, we don't work with templates. We build things by designing them first. So we go through that process. Tony loved it because we'd done all the brand positioning, we'd done all the identity, and we nailed the homepage straight out of the gate. What was really important for us is to get the branding out there. So we've got our landing page up. Tony's got his business cards. They've changed their signatures. People in the market see his brand and they've been giving some great feedback on the brand. Final stage is finishing the website, which we're really excited to roll out at the start of 2022. So that's the story of Mission Law, a client of ours from the US, using our expertise as legal industry specialists to create something really unique that was representative of them. That wasn't just a template. It's not just something that you can buy off the shelf, but it's ticking all the boxes because as a business, it's really, really important for Tony to be putting his best foot forward and be relatable to his clients because that's what's important to his clients as well.